Hello.
Welcome to TableDropZone. I'm Holger.
I'm Loc.
And today I want to show you a little bit of how we plan to transform this little room that we want to make into our studio into a little bit more of a studio.
Yeah. So after several videos we show you on YouTube, we realized that we need some improvement for our room to make the sound better. That's why we decided to do the thing for the soundproofing. Improvement.
So soundproofing. So we bought a little bit of material for this.
Yeah.
2 different colors, one slightly darker, one slightly brighter. And what we are going to do is we're going to put it on the wall behind us, but not just like that. So we are going to use hot glue to create little pads on the foam, and then we are going to use on the corners, and then we're going to use blue tack, put that on there, and then just slap it against the wall, and that is all she wrote. Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, it will help us to save the world or not break it, because maybe in the future we want to change the plan and keep the wall clean. So our idea is just like we have very beautiful mat of Battletech, so we want to keep that. So how to make it right, because we don't want to stick on the farm to the whole wall, so it makes our room very dark but also very boring. So we will put some part of the wall. So I think it's enough to improve the sound quality. But how to make it right, because we want to keep the mat here, because with the video we really love this background. So the thing I fix the problem is that I measure the wall we have, and after that and also measure each of the foam, and measure the mat, and make some kind of Android on the paper. So should I put it in the wall, in some different area? So let's see how it works.
Some higher mathematics.
Yeah, a lot of mathematics here in theory. Let's see how it works.
Let's see how. So, to give you a quick glimpse of how the room looks right now, you can get the feeling of what we're going to do. Here is the wall, here is the battle table, and here we have lighting equipment, etc. There is one more part of lighting equipment that we have here that we are going to put to get light from there in and light from here in. The foam will also help that the light is also reflecting on the back, so this will be improved. And yeah, this is the whole setup. Our minis are mostly in here, not all of them, some of them. And we have some here, and that is the room right now. So let me get back, show you the whole wall that we're going to now pad up. This is our new studio. I hope you can hear us. Last time my microphone had some problems, but let's just see.
Yeah, it looks like good.
Looks good. On the display, it looks good.
You comment on our video that it's better in comparison with the other videos or not.
And if it's not better, then we take all of this down again.
Yeah. So the map is exactly in the center of our filming content.
Our studio of our
studio.
We hope at least.
Yeah. And the good thing is just like it's not the boring war only on black.
Yeah.
There are some like white area with that, and the sound we feel is good enough for the filming our battle.
Can you hear us? if you can hear us, send help. No, please. Yeah, a few things you want to add. If you want to work with this kind of foam and with hot glue, please be clear that the hot glue gun will likely melt some of the foam. This will cause toxic fumes. So make sure you do it outdoors or in a well-ventilated room. Like we have a big balcony door here that we have open while you're working. So just that you're clear, don't do this in enclosed spaces. Your lungs will thank you for it. And if you are a miner, then please, hot glue guns are not necessarily a toy, right? Ask your parents for help, because you can really hurt yourself if you touch the tip. And the hot glue itself is also not too pleasant on skin. It's not harmful, but still. So this is as a little disclaimer to the end of it, if you want to do something like this by yourself. Yeah, else it worked actually pretty well.
Yeah.
Some finalization we still have to do here and there, but I think overall I'm pretty happy. It looked cool.
Yeah, it looked cool, especially with our light on the background and the black, everything match to each other very well.
And your mathematics were spot on.
Thank you.
So we hope that from now on we can deliver higher quality content.
And I hope you will continue supporting us in the future.
Start supporting us. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, you know the usual YouTube thing. Hit that subscribe button. Punch it and the like button. It's some here, I think.
Yeah.
Here. This is gonna age poorly.
And like our videos, then there are more viewers can approach our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Okay.
And comment and share and hit that bell icon. It's probably somewhere over there or over there. Somewhere. And also watch the other videos. I will not attempt to put them here. Just go to the channel and you will find 3 other videos before.
Okay.
That's all from our side.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you. Bye.